In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the tools to get started off on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Onsu Ella. Here on this channel, I do all things YouTube related and I do vlogs. So if any of this is of interest to you, be sure to click the big red subscribe button down below and join me. So as a beginner YouTuber, you're going to be struggling with what apps to download. You're going to be trying to find the best app to make your thumbnail. You're going to be watching a lot of videos about how to make your thumbnail, how to edit. So you're looking for the best apps to do all these things, the best free apps to do all these things, because I'm sure a lot of you are still like struggling and using your phone and you don't have money to go all professional and everything. So that's why I decided to make these videos, to stop you from making the same mistakes that I did and to just like put you guys through the apps to use. I'm going to be telling you guys the honest truth. I tried out a lot of apps. I tried out thumbnail maker, I tried out like different editing app, video lib. I tried a lot of apps that I'm like, I don't want you guys to make that same mistake, because I ended up deleting it. I ended up wasting my data, my space. I just like wasted a lot of things and I lost a lot, and at the end of the day I deleted the app. So I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes. I'm just going to give you guys a list of apps you should have and what they are for, just like a brief info on what they are for, so you can therefore decide whether or not you want to download them. But I assure you, every single app I talk about in this video, you need them, because they are the apps that I'm currently using. That you need them because you're not yet a big YouTuber yet, and like you're still struggling to get there like me. So you need all the help you can get, and I'm really not photogenic, so I'm going to tell you the ways that I make my thumbnail. I'm going to be telling you like just little details that you need to know about the apps I use for my thumbnail, the apps I use to edit. I'm going to be giving you guys options so you can actually just pick from. If you do not want to use this one, you should use this one. I'm definitely any app I do not mention here, it's probably because I don't know, maybe I've not tried it out, or maybe I have and they're bad, because I can't really list out apps that I downloaded because it's a lot. Like I downloaded a lot of apps, like lots of. I downloaded Livestream, I downloaded YouTube tracker, I downloaded thumbnail maker, I downloaded seriously a lot, VLLO, like a whole lot of apps I downloaded, and I'm like, don't do that. Like I'm giving you guys the ones I currently use and the ones that are really good and super easy and like very easy for you guys to grab on and you guys to learn and you guys to just like, you know, get going with it. So the very first app I'm going to tell you to download, actually as I'm saying it now, pause this video, go and download it, and then come back to this video, is YouTube Studio. Like I'm sure you all know you have to have YouTube Studio, right? Like you have to have YouTube Studio. It is your second YouTube. After YouTube, you're going to YouTube Studio. Make sure you have YouTube Studio, because with YouTube Studio you can do things like track your growth on YouTube, monitor your video subs, performance, views, check your analytics. You get to check your watch time, know how close and how far you are from getting monetized. You also get to see your likes, views and comments. You can reply to comments from that app. So all you just need to do is just go to the particular comment and, you know, just send your reply and it goes. You can do a whole bunch of stuff from this app, and it is actually very like, it is super easy to understand. Like honestly, this is like the simplest app to understand. Everything is so broken down, so you definitely just see what this, and you just see views and okay, you know, okay, this tells me my views. Like it's not super hard to understand. Like it is very easy, and it is by far the best because it is free. You're not paying for anything. I have another app, that's YouTube tracker. That app, I downloaded the app, but it wasn't free. I mean, it was good. They'll tell me how close I am to getting monetized. They'll tell me how close I am to getting to 1,000 subscribers, or whatever your goal is. You can like set a goal that okay, before the end of this month I want to get here, and then you get there. But the app is actually not free. Because it's not free, you're restricted. So like the app is just really bad, because sometimes it just fails to load. Like it looks good. I mean, you enjoy it for like the first few days, but then afterwards it's going to keep having problems, or just maybe having some problems. I don't know if it happened to just me, but I'm just telling you guys my experience and why you shouldn't go for YouTube tracker. Just go to YouTube Studio and do everything you want to do in YouTube Studio. So now let me go to the second app you need to have, Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome is I'm sure you guys know what Chrome is. Like Google Chrome, you can use Google Chrome to do other stuff. Like it's actually really important. Like I tell everybody, like download Google Chrome, download Chrome on your phone. Why don't you have Chrome on your phone? Like you have to have Chrome on your phone. Like you just have to have Chrome on your phone, because with Chrome you can upload YouTube videos, you can check like your analytics. You can like really go deep, like you're using a PC. You can put it on desktop sites and like really check your sub count, your watch time. You can check your retention. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with this Google Chrome. Like you just have to log in your YouTube account into it, and then you're good to go. Like it is really good, because it helps you a lot of more advanced settings that you need in your videos. It helps you to do a lot more than like the normal process where you go to YouTube and then upload your video, add your thumbnail, and that's all. Like this one's actually some hidden things, and you can schedule your video from Google Chrome. That's the only place you can schedule to post your video from. I don't think you can do it from normal YouTube app. So that's actually why you need like Google Chrome. Like you really need Google Chrome. Like you have to have Google Chrome. I'm telling you accordingly. The first app you should download is YouTube Studio, and then Google Chrome. They actually do similar things, because the things you can do on YouTube Studio, you can also do them on Google Chrome. Google Chrome is also more advanced, but you still really need YouTube Studio. And then the next app I'm going to go into is Pinterest. Yeah, I'm sure you guys know what Pinterest is. Yeah, that app. I know you guys are wondering, Pinterest, like what does Pinterest have to do with YouTube? Yeah, I use it to get video ideas. Like how do you think we just like come up with a lot of video ideas? I mean, I post videos 3 times a week. How do you think I keep that? How do you think I maintain posting 3 times a week? I get ideas from Pinterest. So with Pinterest, what you do is what I usually do to get video ideas is I go on Pinterest, and then I just like search for my niche. Maybe I type out YouTube or YouTube tips, and then I just see lots of blog posts. So I just like save them, because they are actually video ideas for me. So most of the posts that I save, I go back when I'm ready to make a video, and I just like pick a few out and then just ready to shoot. Because most times you find out that whenever you're ready to make a video, you just stay there thinking, okay, what video should I make now? And then before you figure out what video to make or anything, maybe the sun is down, or maybe you're no longer in the mood, or maybe your parents are back to interrupt you, or whatever the case may be. You might not just be able to shoot the video immediately you've gotten the idea. So what I suggest you do is just take like 30 minutes to go through Pinterest, and with 30 minutes you can get over 30 video ideas. I'm like being very serious with you. With 30 minutes I can get over 30 to 50 video ideas that I'm ready to shoot out. So just take your time, go to Pinterest, type out your niche, and just start saving video ideas, so that whenever you're ready to shoot a video, you have nothing to stop you. All you need to do is just whip out your phone and get going. So this brings me to my 4th app. Like the 4th app I'm going to tell you guys to have as a YouTuber. You must have them. TubeBuddy. Yeah, like I'm so excited telling you guys this, because this is like a game changer for a lot of people. TubeBuddy is not completely free. There is a free version, and then there is a paid version, which is actually better. But you can start with TubeBuddy, like just test it out with TubeBuddy, because actually you need TubeBuddy. You need TubeBuddy. There are other apps for ranking in search. TubeBuddy helps you with your SEO tools. It helps you to rank in search, in the sense that when you produce a video, you want your video to be out for every other person to be able to get to it. So you want to use the right keywords, you want to use the right title, you want to use the right tags. So TubeBuddy helps you with this. It helps you. It's like really good, honestly. Like TubeBuddy is I can't explain this enough. It's actually really good, and the free version is still also good. So you can just like try out the free version for a while, or you should actually just try out TubeBuddy, because you need it. You can do a lot with TubeBuddy. You can do a whole lot with TubeBuddy. Like TubeBuddy, you can explore keywords, you can see the search volume of a video, so you know if you should make that video or not, if the video is going to perform well or not. You can also play your videos with other people that you consider as your competitors, maybe people of the same niche as you, or maybe you guys were actually growing together from the start. You can actually compare. You can also see the tag of some other YouTubers. So maybe you have like a YouTuber that is currently ranking really high in search. You can go and check out what tags the person used for his or her videos, to see if you'd actually like to use them for your video, and if you have a chance at all in ranking in search. TubeBuddy is actually really good. Like it's really good, and it's a game changer. So a lot of you actually need TubeBuddy. There are other apps like TubeBuddy. I downloaded vidIQ. I was using rapidtags.io. that's a website. I was using keywords everywhere.com. that's also a website, and they are really good. They work like they have the same functions, but I can tell you that you don't need the three of them, you just need one. Most of the big YouTubers that you see are actually using TubeBuddy, so like why not? Just whenever you have money, go get one of the packages. Just go get one of the packages and then try it out and thank me later. Trust me, you thank me. Okay, so this brings me to the fifth app you need to have. So for the fifth tool, this is a tool where you get copyright free music. It's just one that I'm just going to give you now, but there are like about 6 of them that I highly recommend, and I've made a video about that. So if you want to check out the video, just click on this right here and check out that video. You'd actually gain a lot, because I'm just going to give you one here, but there you have like 6 options to pick from. So make sure you check out that video. And yeah, so let me get to this one. This is called Hello Thematic. I'm going to just tell you that you can use Hello Thematic, and how this works is you sign up and connect with the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. That's how you gain permission to use this song on that particular channel. So what you just do is you just browse through and find a particular sound or music that you want in your video. You download it and you'll be given a credit link, which you'd copy and paste in the description of your video, and that's practically all you have to do. I like this Hello Thematic app personally, because with Hello Thematic you can actually see other YouTubers that have used it, and if you want, you can go through and see the type of songs in particular they use. So like I really like using Hello Thematic because it is really helpful and it is free. So as you can see, I'm giving you guys all free things to do in your YouTube channel, because I know that you're a beginner and you're looking for free things that work. So the 6th one is editing apps. Personally, I use iMovie and I use KineMaster. Those are the apps I use to edit my videos. But I've heard of people that use VideoLip and they say it's really good. I downloaded VideoLip, but I found out that it wasn't entirely free. I know KineMaster is not also entirely free, but it's actually just better for me to just use KineMaster because it was easier for me to understand. VideoLip was just kind of everywhere, and like it was just too much, so I couldn't really understand it, and the fact that it wasn't free freaked me out. So now back to it. I use iMovie and I use KineMaster because they are like really good to and really fast to understand. Like it didn't really take me a lot of time to understand KineMaster, and like I really like KineMaster honestly because it has like lots and lots of things, like lots and lots of different edits, and like it's just sweet. It's just a sweet app. Like it's just really sweet to use. So I really recommend that you use KineMaster and iMovie. Like who wouldn't love iMovie? iMovie was the first app I learned to use. That was like the very first app, and it was so easy. Like if you just starting up on YouTube, I suggest you just go for iMovie. Just go right there and download iMovie because that's the app that you need. That's the app that is beginners friendly. KineMaster is actually just complicated, and you will not really understand what you're supposed to do because everything is just kind of everywhere at the same time. But with iMovie, there are little things on the screen, so you can actually focus on just click this button to add, just click this button to zoom, just click this button to do you understand? It's just so easy to use and like so easy to understand. So I just really recommend that you go and use iMovie as a beginner. If you want to do more complicated edits, I suggest you use KineMaster because those are the 2 apps I use and they are really good. So the 7th tip is notes. And notes is like really important and it's free because I believe everybody has notes on their phone. With notes, I plan out my description before I paste it. I plan them out. I plan it out like maybe a few minutes or days before I upload that video. I use notes because I want some certain things saved in all my video description, like things like contact me. I put a little contact me, and then I put my Instagram username and my phone number for calls. I put a lot of information that I want to go in all my description. So I just put it in notes and then I save it, so whenever I'm ready to use them, I just copy and paste. I just add like some things that I want to be in all my description of all my videos, and then I just paste it. Note also helps me with let's say efficiency, a bit consistency, because that way I can actually put down my timestamp there. Like whenever I'm less busy, I can just like whip out my phone and just put my timestamp and just put everything just ready to shoot, so that when I want to upload a video, all I do is copy everything in notes and paste in my description, and boom, I have it down. I don't have to keep thinking of, okay, what to write now. I've already thought about it minutes ago or days ago, and I've already put it down there, just ready for copy and paste. Do you understand? So I really suggest that you guys use notes. Just use it to like plan out, or just like save some important things that you want to go in all your description. That way it's easy to just copy and paste. So this brings me to my 8th tool, the 8th tool that I want you guys to use. I'm going to be talking more on your thumbnail, because 8, 9 and 10, they are like thumbnail apps. I use that's Fonto, Lightroom, and Facetune too. Yes, those are the 3 tools that I use for my thumbnail. I also use PicsArt. I use PicsArt when I want to cut a picture out of the background and just have my picture hanging there. That's what I use PicsArt for, to just trace myself out, or just outline myself out of the background and just have myself, so I can paste it in other backgrounds. That's what I use PicsArt for. And then I use Lightroom to increase the light. I just want it to have like a little pop, because I'm really not photogenic, so I just need every help and any help I can get to make my pictures pop. So that's what I use Lightroom for, just to get extra light in my pictures. And then I go to Facetune. I use Facetune to blur the background of my thumbnails, to make myself the center of attraction, to make myself and the text I have on my screen the center of attraction, so people do not get distracted by what I have in the background or what I have here. They just have to focus on me and the text, which is what I want them to see. So I really recommend that you guys use Facetune, Lightroom, and Fonto. I use Fonto to do the finishing tips, to add the PNG, the YouTube PNG, and also to add the text. Fonto is actually really good because you can also use it to make your YouTube banner. Like, Fonto is just my all and all. I can literally die for that app, because I really love Fonto. Like, I really love Fonto. It's just really good and really super easy to understand. Like, so that is it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know what you want to see next. So if you liked or disliked anything I said in this video, be sure to comment it down, and we'll talk more about it in the comment section down below. If you got to this part of my video, I am really grateful. I love you guys for watching my video to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.